Hello to all, today I'm going to show you how to open up the Xbox 360. First, take out the hard drive, put that somewhere, take off the front faceplate, shouldn't be very hard, don't worry if it pops off. You will have a sticker there if it's your first time, just peel it off. If you don't want to void your warranty, get a hairdryer and below it and it should come off, but if not then I don't give a shit, it's not my Xbox. Pull this up a little bit, so it's like that, and I'll put pictures of where to pop in. Screwdriver, like put one inside, should lift up then the other side, so on and so on, but mine pulls off. Same with the bottom, pop picture of the bottom one as well. Next point, these, just pull them up, pull them up, pull them up, pull them up. So it's like that. On the back, there should be 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. Get something flat, and start with the bottom one. I advise putting my fingers there and pushing apart. You should hear a little pop. You might not hear it from mine. You might, I'm not too sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mine's popped off. I'll show you, I've got a picture of which screws to unscrew. Give me 1 second. Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you hold it together, turn the Xbox around. That bit should just pop off a little bit, in casing. And voila, that's how you open up the Xbox 360. Thank you for watching, and I'll do a part 2 of how to put it together, and I'll do a video on how to hotspot. Thank you for watching,
right,
subscribe,
okay.
rate,
Now,
comment, anything
what you want to do is,
just tell me.
there'll be 2 wires at the back, just pull them off. And your Xbox should just pop up. Do the 2 wires. It should be that one and the little one. Right, you have this, and you should have the button to eject, for mine snapped. But what you want to do is get something under there, and it just pops off. Turn it around, get a Phillips screwdriver, and unscrew. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, back, 3, and 4. There'll be this bit here would actually be attached to your Xbox, but I'll just peel it off or just make a little hole. As you can see, this sticker here, get something thin, go beneath the grooves and just make a little slit. Turn around. This sticker here, you need to not worry about that just yet. You want to get the top off first. Been a pain in the ass. Right, can we quickly pause it, sorry. Right, good enough. Voila. This can go to the side. Try and not get at the bottom drop off. Doesn't really matter if it does, but yeah. Right, you want to peel the sticker off. Try and get it halfway off, because you kind of need it on because of this bit here. Right, now this bit underneath, you want to hold it there and twist this bit. You won't be able to do it as easy as me, but because mine's been done quite a few times, so you need 2 hands to do that. But after you've got it, get that bit, put it on, twist it, put your fingers underneath it, give it a little push just to make sure it's on, and then that just pops on there. We can do that. Alright, see that, just drop that. Now this goes back in the Xbox. Just, sorry about the feet. Slides on there. I'm going to put the ATA cable in and the power cable. And that's that done. Let me quickly pause the video and put the power cable in and everything. Come on, right, voila. Sorry, that's the bit I always forget to say. Forget to do as well myself. Right, hard drive. As you can see, there's no gigs, it's kilobytes, gigs, but that's downloadable content which I have. I deleted it so I can do this for you guys to prove I'm actually doing it. Go back, start up the game. Might come up with friends playing. If it does come up with friends are playing this game. Wait a while. In fact, I'll roughly go back to dashboard. Start Ballot Gatania. Wait for that to come up. Exit out, dashboard. Got text box. Game details. Then install the hard drive to pop up. Highlight it. Do not click it. Get my modded disk. Right. As the CD is spinning, what you want to do is slowly slow it down. I'm not doing it right now, but yeah, slowly slow it down. Pull that off. Quickly throw the game. Pop the modded one on, then put the magnet back on. And make sure the magnet is on by just hold the magnet to go. Just tap it a bit. And then click install the hard drive, which I'm just going to put the modded disk in now. Bear with, as you can see, modded disk in. But what I normally like to do is when I've thrown the episode of DVC, I like to push down on this and then get the magnet and then push down and just make sure the magnet's on the right. Sorry, and then click install the hard drive. This should be slowly going to speed up, make a little noise. That should be installing the hard drive. When we see 1%, I shall pause the video and come back when it's at 98%. I'll be back.